Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to resize an image in Mailchimp step by step. Whether you're designing a newsletter, updating your latest campaign, or just tidying up your layouts, resizing images properly is one of those little things that really makes your email look polished and professional. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly adjust your images so they fit your design perfectly, all using Mailchimp's built-in tools. Alright, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Mailchimp design. So make sure you're logged into your Mailchimp account and open up the campaign or template where you want to tweak an image. This can be in a regular email, a landing page, really anywhere you can edit your designs in Mailchimp. Think of this as stepping into your digital workspace, setting the stage for a little creative fine-tuning. Once your design is open, go ahead and click on the image you want to resize. It might be a logo, a featured product photo, or maybe even a playful illustration. When you select your image, it highlights so you know you're editing the right element. Taking the time to get this right matters, because choosing the correct image ensures you're not accidentally making tweaks somewhere you didn't intend. After you've selected the image, look down toward the bottom of the editing panel. You'll spot a button that says Edit Image. Click on that. It might take a second to load, depending on your internet connection, so don't worry if it's not instant. This opens up Mailchimp's built-in image editor, a handy tool that lets you make adjustments right inside your campaign without having to jump over to another app or website. Now here, where the magic happens. In the image editor, glance over at the bottom left corner. You'll see the current dimensions of your image displayed there in pixels. These numbers tell you both the width and the height, so you know exactly how large your image is inside your email. If you want to give your image a little more breathing room or make it fit a tighter space, simply change these numbers to your desired dimensions. For example, if Mailchimp says your image is 1200 pixels wide, but it's swallowing up your email layout, you might want to bring it down to, say, 600 pixels wide. As soon as you input the new numbers, you'll see a live preview right there, which is super helpful. And here's a little pro tip. If you want an even faster way to resize, check out the scale option. This is a tiny time saver in the editor. Instead of entering exact pixel dimensions, you can just slide the scale bar to shrink or enlarge your image proportionally. It's perfect when you want to keep the same ratio without doing the math. Play with it until the image looks just right. It may take a moment to find the sweet spot, and that's totally normal. Once you're happy with how your image looks, all that's left is to save your changes. The new size will automatically update in your Mailchimp design, fitting in neatly with the rest of your content. If at any point you feel unsure, you can always hit undo or discard changes. Mailchimp won't apply anything until you confirm it, so there's no worry about making a mistake you can't fix. And that's really all there is to it. Resizing images in Mailchimp is simple once you know where to look, and it can make a big difference in how professional your emails appear. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It helps out the channel a ton. If you have any questions, or if you run into any hiccups, just drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.